everyone! In this video, we will be sharing an Instant Pot recipe for spaghetti with meat sauce. It's delicious and filling. Not only that, using the Instant Pot means less pots to wash. Here's what you will need to make your spaghetti and meat sauce. Plug in your Instant Pot and start the recipe by pouring about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then add the meat. Close the lid to seal. Press manual and set the timer to 20. When the time is up, release the quick pressure. Press cancel and set to saute mode. You want to make sure that most of the water in the meat is evaporated. Add the pasta sauce into the meat mixture. Time to add the spaghetti. We used a box of 375 grams whole wheat spaghetti. Pour 3 cups of water over the noodles. Close the lid and cancel saute mode. Press manual and set to 6. After it's done, release the quick pressure. Mix well and your spaghetti and meat sauce is ready to enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below what kind of recipes you'd like to see us make next. See you guys again in our next video.